Yes. Announcement came out this week, I guess the last couple of days, about a big ass battery factory in Lordstown, Ohio. I don't know if I want to say gigafactory, but pretty big.
No,
because
you can call it a gigafactory.
No.
Send
It's
somebody
not.
a dollar.
But what's
it's a
interesting
big ass battery
is
factory because
it's
that
a big
sounds
ass
so
battery
much cooler.
factory with GM and LG in the same town where this Lordstown Motors pickup truck is to be built. Now, it doesn't say if it's the same building or down the street, but it's certainly a coincidence that it's in the same town. And it looks like GM is still on the bandwagon for EVs, and they're going to use these to power the Hummer and what's the automated thing that they're doing, the Cruise. Yeah. So, but that's cool. I'm really happy to see in these economic times that people are still hopefully building factories to build batteries, and let's hope that it comes to fruition. And it's going to create like 1,100 jobs in the Rust Belt, which is pretty cool.
I believe this is the old Lordstown factory that they're using. So that's
right.
Makes it even doubly cooler, right? More jobs using the old building. You couldn't ask for more than that, you know?
And making significant volumes of quality EV batteries in America aside from Tesla. So it's pretty cool.
So are they going to do recycling there as well?
The article didn't say.
Okay.
And also, because it's a separate entity, I would imagine that they'll sell them to other companies. Just like, the company that builds, or the company Toyota and Panasonic formed to make EV batteries for Toyota vehicles or hybrid batteries. I'm sure they sell them to other companies now as well. So this could be a good thing.
It's a beautiful
thing. This is
thing.
Entirely speculative, but as we've noted here before, that they're having a lot of trouble pivoting towards sustainable vehicles with the big three. And wouldn't it be cool if they discovered, you know what we really are missing here? It's not so much manufacturing the cars, but manufacturing the component technology we need for sustainable energy, because we are never, ever not going to need local manufacture for the batteries, for the cells, for everything, because we got it into our heads as a nation that we could be like on top of the heap and just buy it from all those other people over there, and forgot that no, being able to manufacture it right here is a very, very important, critical part of not just our economic structure, but our military capabilities as a nation, being able to have your components handy right in your own homegrown territory. So it's going to be interesting to watch.
To be able to like make ventilators and face masks.
Surprisingly, we should probably have factories and knowledgeable people in our country that can do that at the turn of a dime, because there was a little war or two where we turned manufacturing factories towards that. Maybe was kind of important, but I don't know. What do I know? I'm just a woman.
Oh my God, that took a bad turn.
Exactly. Thank you.
You're not an orange orangutan?
No.
Yeah.
But the hate cam.
Jordan, you're exactly right. Of course, everything you just said, you're exactly right. And hopefully GM and LG Chem are coming together and making the batteries, because when you think of electric vehicles, we focus on the vehicle and the components and everything around the car, but it's the battery. You can't have an EV without the battery. And as Tesla has proven, a battery can be used for so many other things than just powering a car.
Yeah.
A steering wheel goes in a car, and the inducer goes in a car, but the battery can be used for storage, for municipal, for residential, for large utility level. So yeah, they bring a huge ass battery factory online, and it opens up so much potential for General Motors to get into other avenues that they may have never even considered.
And to have it in the Midwest, so if they got to crank up production, they're not waiting for a boat from Asia to get over here. It's going to be great for them.